Today I'm going to make sandwiches, that is vegetable sandwich, and I have taken 4 slices of bread. You can see brown bread. Here I have taken boiled mashed potatoes. I have taken medium size 3 to 4 potatoes for that. This is cabbage finely chopped, tomatoes, onions, chopped onions, capsicum. Here you can see I have done some extra preparations also. Before that, one important thing is that I'm going to use carrot in this because it's being avoided. So I just grated it very fine in fine pieces. And these are few things which is always required, like cumin seeds, mustard seeds, red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt. So the preparations I was telling you is I have made this paste and this coriander chutney. I've taken sauce here and some oil will be required. So now we'll start with the recipe. As you can see, gas is already on. I'm using this for getting the stuff ready, and I'm going to put some oil in this. 2 tablespoons of oil will be enough because later also we are going to use some more oil. So let it get warmer. Okay, it is ready. Now I'm going to put mustard seeds. We'll allow it to crackle. As you can see, mustard seeds are crackling now. I'm going to put some of cumin seed I've already put now. We'll just slow down the gas and I'm going to put this paste over here to make it a bit spicy. We'll just stir it for a while. We have to check it should not burn. And if you feel oil is less, you can add oil to it also. Now at this stage, I'm going to add turmeric powder and chili. That too, according to your taste, you can increase or decrease it. So now our paste is ready. I've taken potatoes in another bowl because we have to mix it now. And you remember we have just made this paste ready. I'm going to add this paste into these boiled potatoes. I'm going to use spoon over here to do this. Now one thing which is missing is salt. So at this stage here we can put some salt also. According to taste. So I'm going to mix it now well. As you can see now, you can see the change in color. It is ready. Now I'm going to add veggies, cabbage, tomatoes. We'll just leave the liquid part of the tomatoes. Then onions, capsicum. It's not compulsory to use. You can see the ratio. If you feel like you can add more, you can keep it less. It's up to you completely. Now we'll add. See this cabbage gives a color to it and children just get attracted with this color. So now I'm going to mix this up. Now I'll take this bread and first I'll apply butter to it. So it should be fine if you have to spread it throughout the bread. Again it depends on you what to put more butter or less completely on it. So this is almost, you have to put butter this way. Add more butter to it. Okay, now I've applied butter. Now what I usually do, I put this chutney with butter so it just get mixed well. So I'm going to paste it like this. Now I'll keep it aside. On the next slice of bread, I'm going to add sauce. Don't take much of sauce because otherwise it will become so sweet. Now I'll apply the masala on this bread only. I'm using hand because you have to spread it properly throughout the bread. So better don't use any spoon, just do it so natural. Now you can put some cheese also. I've already have grated cheese over here, so I'm spreading it throughout the bread. This way you can also do. Now what you can see is I'm just making one sandwich ready at a time. We will repeat the same thing for the other 2 slices. Now we have to press it like this. pan is ready, I'm going to apply oil, or we'll grease it with oil. I'm going to put this bread and allow it to cook. I'll check it now whether it is golden brown. Yes, it is. Now I'll flip it. You can see the nice color, that is golden brown, and should look like this. And same way we are going to wait for the other side to get it. Now I'll check it from another side. Okay, this is golden brown from another side also. So our sandwich is ready, healthy, crispy, and it looks good also. Enjoy. So as you can see, our healthy sandwich is ready. It is full of veggies and very less oil. Enjoy it. This can be liked by children also. You can serve it with sauce and coriander chutney. Have a nice day. Enjoy.